Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So these came in this morning. Now you've probably already seen these, or you're just about to see these in their finished state, because these are two of the three moustaches that we've had made up for the fundraising for Movember. We're conducting, if we haven't done it already, we're conducting an auction of a golden stash, a silver stash, and another silver stash which isn't in this picture for the reason you'll see in a moment. So this is kind of the halfway mark of when things are cast, particularly on an individual level. It's a different process when someone like your Perth Mints or Siltex, mass cast a stack of bars, those types of things. But when you're actually casting individual items, they tend to, at about the halfway mark, look a little bit like this. So a little bit odd. They have what they call the sprues still attached, which is all this extra metal all around that you can see around the object itself, and it's in an unpolished state. So I just thought that you might want to see it. So the good people over at Lenrose actually created these for us. So they're over in the Century building in Melbourne here, and they cast all sorts of more the jewellery items. So they'll cast them in wax initially, or create them in wax initially, and then cover them in a ceramic to generate the mould, and then pour the precious metal into that mould and cast whatever it is that we're having cast, or whatever you wanted having cast, if you're needing something cast on that sort of level. So Lenrose, great people over here in the Century building in Melbourne. But you can see here that it's completely in its raw state. We've got all these extra bits attached to it at the moment, which will be trimmed off, and then they'll actually polish up the final item there. So, and if I can get in nice and close, you can actually see some of the writing that's been cast into it. So yeah, it was more just a curiosity thing. It's not the sort of thing you get to see every day. So I thought I would throw it up on camera and highlight it. And like I said, either very, very soon, or you've just had the chance to bid on these and take home the inaugural golden stash and the two silver stashes that we have available to raise funds for Movember, that important Men's Health Month, where we look at things like depression and prostate cancer and all those horrible things that we really need to spend more money and time and focus on. All right, that's it for now. All good, and we'll talk again soon. Thanks. See ya.